And the other duck pond. Roll 3. Swans. And blue geese. And shell ducks and mallard ducks. Lots of Canada geese. And Egyptian geese. And then again just the cattle. And the feedlots. And there's a heron. And here comes the little farmer Ty. What are you doing, Ty? I'm just taking some pictures for Henny. You want to say hey to Henny? No. Say hi. You're on. You're gonna show them what else is up here. Why not? Oh, I think Grampy's got the dead goose, don't worry. I think Wayne's got the dead goose. And just the other big barn. Let's see, I don't know what's in here this time. Another duck barn. Where's the donkey at? Where'd the donkey go? What do we got over? Got an empty barn, nearly. Black swans. Nothing's in here, is there? Just ducks? Oh, more swans. Lots of ducks. Waiting for Christmas. Waiting for New Year, I guess. Christmas is today. Which one's your pet? Is that your...
The one, not the one of the white ones.
One of the white ones?
See the one twitching its tail?
Yeah, yeah. I see him.
Moving?
Yeah. That's your pet? We're gonna see the other swans outside? I showed him. I showed him. He said it's one with the twitching tail. We're in the front. Got that, Henny?
Okay. These guys, because they're bad.
Why are they bad? What do they do that's bad?
Bite ya.
Do they bite ya? Okay. We won't go in with them then, will we? We won't go in with them. Let's go outside. See if we can see the baby donkey. Yeah. Where's Jenny at?
Jenny?
Yeah. I see there's her hay.
Huh?
There's more swans and barhead geese.
Watch out, Jenny.
And his parrot barn. Oh, shell ducks down there on the ice. You can see them. Where is she? We'll have to go sledding. This is good snow for sledding.
Are you gonna be here tonight?
Yep.
Can my dad come up every sled we have on the four-wheeler and hook and we're gonna get in the sled and he's on pull us.
Oh, that sounds fun. Will he be able to pull me too?
Yeah. You know why them cows are hollering?
Why them cows hollering?
Because we don't have any water for them to drink.
Did it freeze?
No, because their power water is out.
Oh, is it?
Power gives them water, it went out.
Oh, okay. They're getting it fixed though, were they? I saw they had Dougie there.
We have to call New Scotia. We have to call Ron and Kale.
Have to call who?
Kale.
Who's Kale?
You remember that? Kale, my friend.
Oh yeah.
My friend, yes.
Can he fix the water?
He works for New Scotia Power now.
Does he? Works for Nova Scotia Power?
Yeah, he works.
Oh, so you call him, he'll fix the power.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who knows where the donkey's gone?
Look at that baby.
Is the baby over here? Nope. Well, maybe we're missing a donkey. He's somewhere. with her baby.